3.4 ounces 100 milliliters pure Tsubaki knife oil Camellia oil. Completely safe food-grade purity. Includes complimentary Sabitori rust eraser. Made in Japan. A perfect maintenance kit. Originally used in Japan as a cooking oil and for beauty purposes. Tsubaki oil, Japanese tea seed oil, is a must-have for high-carbon steel knives. Apply a few drops after use to prevent rust, corrosion and discoloration. It will also help shine and condition your knives. The rust eraser will help remove rust and stains on your knife. Follow the grain of the knife, gently moving the eraser back and forth. Only erase on rust-stained spots. For maintenance info and professional Japanese knife sharpening, contact our Yoshihiro Cutlery store. Top reviews from the United States. Works great for 100% carbon knives. I own some vintage Japanese blades that are 100% old-school carbon steel. When I picked them up, they were a mess, covered in black rust, patina, with plenty of red rust spots, bad news, which can damage a blade. I cleaned the blades up by hand and when I got them done, they were incredibly razor sharp. I oiled them with this Camellia oil. The photos show one of blades in original condition on the right-hand side and the refurbished blade on the left side. Over time, the refurbished blade will slowly develop a darker color, the magnetite rust or patina, which is desirable. Avoiding the red hematite rust is the key. The red rust spots can damage a blade over time. It took a lot of time and work to clean this particular blade up to an acceptable state. Once it was refurbished, I apply this Camellia oil after every knife use. I wash the blade in warm, soapy water, dry thoroughly and put a small drop of oil on each side of the blade and buff with a cotton cloth. Hope that helps.